Okay, there's been a lot of discussion about this battery online and all the forums. Everybody's been raving about it. This is your Shorai LFX14 lithium battery. As you can see, it's a flat prismatic. There's 8 different cells. Not much to it, but it works. But there's 2 reasons to buy a battery. One is the capacity, one is the cranking amps. So if you have a list to match your bike with the battery, that's fine. But really, what are you buying? You're buying capacity and cranking amps. So on this one, it shows a 14 number. And it's called amp hour PBEQ, lead acid equivalent. It's supposed to be some kind of related capacity to a lead acid battery. I don't know where they get that number from, but it's totally made up. It's got nothing to do with anything. I don't know where they pulled it out of their air or what. But in actual testing, the capacity of this battery is 3.5 lithium amp hour. That's the number. The whole lead acid equivalent is a term that Shorai came up with a couple of years ago. It means absolutely nothing. I don't even know why they put it on there. Well, it's a sales gimmick. You might as well put 2,000. You know, that sounds better than 14. Okay. Capacity is 3.5 amp hour. The other number, cranking amps. That's more important. How much cranking amps does this battery put out to start your engine? Well, it says 210. And with the accuracy of the 14, I think we better test this. So we're going to use this load tester here, and we've got a voltmeter, and we've got a way to read precisely the current on this meter. You should be able to see it. And we're going to find out precisely the cranking amps this sucker can put out. We're going to drop the voltage to 9 volts, which is a typical cranking voltage of an engine, for about 2 seconds. Then we're going to do it about 2 times. And we'll see exactly what it does. Here we go. There's your 14. And you should be able to read that meter. So here we go. It's fully charged battery. We'll just see what the amps here. We're going to take it down to 9 volts. $122. 122. Well, in case you don't believe your eyes, we're going to do this again. Maybe we were in a time warp or something. You know, maybe it's a parallel universe that something happened here. Let's go back down to 9 volts. We're starting our bike again. Here we go. 127. 127. So we've got 122 and 127. Actual cranking amps for the Shorai LFX14. It claims 210. Well, they're only about 90 cranking amps off. That's almost 50% discrepancy. But hey, if it makes a sale, it doesn't matter. Good luck.